And that's the edge from Nandre Berger, snaffled by Aviwe Ngajima at first slip, and the first wicket falls for the Gbets Rocks. The big man is out. Stian van Zyl has to make his way off.
Certainly not from a bonus point of view. Has he got him?
He's got him.
Has he got him?
Daniel
He
Smith.
has indeed.
Daniel
It
Smith.
looks like it. What's the soft signal there from the umpire?
Unnecessary shot there from
Yeah.
Anabe. That could be out.
No,
and
he got him
his
this
man.
time. They didn't get him with the previous delivery. He's got him with this delivery. This time, Sean George not able to stop that finger from coming up, and it is the end of Hlomla Hanabe. Really has been outstanding stuff from these two batters. Sean van Berg coming in and accelerating the scoring at a rapid rate. And it's played straight by Clyde Fortain to that man, Tony Dezorzi, at extra cover. He takes the catch. George Linder is mobbed by Aviwe Ngajima and the rest of the team.
There's some serious amount of stats there, and Peter Malan has scored over 12.
Oh, he got him! He has got him. He's not going to get the 50 today. And that is the wicket they were looking for. It is angling into the right-hander and just keeps the line. A brilliant catch by Kyle Verena behind, and he just gets the edge, and that is Sean van Berg gone. Yeah,
He was out of his crease, James.
he was, yes.
But this is a funny.
Oh, he got him! He's
Bjorn
got him
Hendricks.
now! He's finally got the wicket. Hannes Viljoen will be furious with himself. He left that one alone with his bat in the air, and it just goes straight to that man at fourth slip.
Got Bjorn Hendricks coming in at him. And
Oh
he's pinned
my
him,
goodness, he's
LBW.
pinned him. He's got him. He has got him. That is the match for the Six Gun Grill Western Province. Handshakes all round as it is Bjorn Hendricks who wraps it all up.